Hello, hello, lovelies. I am Ironia. It's so nice to have you here today in my studio. I'm gonna show you a little process video how I paint my flowers. And I'm gonna use today pretty rose color that I like it. Okay, it's kind of softy, pinky, and so I have a little mix in here. It's already wet and ready to go. I mix a little bit with white color, and I'm use this bamboo brush that I really like, a round tip. I'm gonna use the whole flowers is gonna be made with this, okay? So now we are going to complete this bouquet, and we're gonna add some stems and leaves using the same brush, okay, for this combination of two greens, sap green and deep green, okay, that I'm gonna show you now. Little layers, little bit to enhance the color, little bit of petals, not too much because we don't want to overdo. Oops, I added some green here, but let me set up a little bit the green. How would you like to add a little bit, enhance. Always can lift it, no problem. brush, remove the excess of green. Or you can tab. Accident always happen. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. And let me know in the comments below what you think of this bouquet. Okay, bye bye.